It's very narrow gate.
Very narrow gate.
Wow. Okay.
Between this.
This conversation. Oh no.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. So today is Saturday, October 12. So we're actually here now at Collingwood. We're going to visit the Blue Mountain Scenic Caves. So let's see. We're going to buy ticket now. I think the cost of the ticket is $35 per person. Hello. Yeah, this is the park admission. $35 for adult and $32 for the kids. Right now it's 14 degrees, a little bit cold, but look at the scenery. Wow. Look at the scenery right now, very nice. And we're gonna see the caves.
We're just gonna do the 35.
Huh?
We're gonna do the 35.
The 35? Okay.
Wow. One. Would you like to receive?
This,
No, it's okay. As long as there's no one checking us there.
Nope, there's not. As long as you have your wristband on, you guys are good.
okay, so we're good to go.
You too here.
Okay, so this is the area, the entrance area, and I guess we have to do the washroom first for safety.
For safety and precaution.
Okay,
Empty.
empty the stomach.
Empty bladder. Not stomach.
Ah, look at this, I can see the lake. Okay, let's check out the direction we're going.
Yes, sir.
So we're going to Suspension Bridge,
Yes.
Caves, Lookout, Gate.
Not gift shop.
So we're going to Suspension Bridge
Yes,
first.
over there.
But just let's take a look this area where people are checking. Ah, there's lots of bird. Ayan po. Yeah, nice area. Wow,
Oh, they have big fish. Look. Look.
I know. Okay. You can have a picture here. Let's take a picture.
Picture.
Okay, so we're going inside now to the caves. It's slippery.
嗱呢邊落
Okay, we'll see.
We'll see if the caves is good for the community.
Yeah, it's over here. It's right here.
So we're going inside now.
Yep. Oh,
Let's see.
I'm just behind you.
Okay. Oh, let's take picture first.
Ah, so nice.
wrong way wrong way 嗎
Is it? Is it wrong way?
No,
He's a friend.
they are a scary cat.
Scared, eh?
Okay, so we're going.
Picture time.
Okay, we're going now to the famous Blue Mountain Caves.
Oh, this is good. I'm just behind you, so don't worry. If I fall, you have to catch me.
Yeah, this is very steep.
Challenging?
Not yet. I'm still okay.
Yeah, I think this is good.
Yeah. I guess the entrance is okay. I don't know the actual cave.
Ah, it's getting cooler.
Yeah. Whoops. Hard to get in.
You gotta go sideways.
Wow, big rock.
These 4 steps are very narrow. Okay. Watch your head. These ones are very narrow.
Hello.
Yeah.
Oh. My joints is like.
Yeah. Oh, what's your joint? What's your joint?
It did a little bit of breathing.
It says, not your head. What's your joint? Oh boy. Here we go.
A lot of people there. Oh, this dropped.
So a little bit looks like a little bit difficult for a junior like us. Yeah, you can see.
Good. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh boy.
Oh, look at the rocks. Big rocks. Ah, ay, ko. Oh my God. I almost hit my head. Patman misery.
Over to 11.
It says there, Patman misery.
A what?
It's a Patman misery. Because the Patman, they cannot go up there, so they have to use that one. Over to number 11. This cave's exit is only 30. Okay. Yeah, the cave is hard to reach. No, everybody's going here.
No, sideways we can do it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, because sideways we can do it.
Come on, prime time. That's such a safer option than like inhaling candles.
So we're good?
I like candles. Okay, but like don't put them in your room. Put them like outside.
Yeah, we're good.
Don't put them in your room. It's really bad
Yeah, this is the actual. Go.
on your lungs. Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah, we're good. Okay.
Holy, it's dark.
So is it hard? Is it hard to go up? Come.
Come.
Yeah. That's how we came here.
Door and see what's in there.
That's why we came here to check out. Yung tubig mo naman, lagyan mo naman sa ano, your water. Put it in the bag.
I can't.
Why not?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Cancel them.
I think it's good.
Yeah.
Just have to squeeze it and.
Okay, so that's the there's a note. Climb ladder and put your right shoulder into opening.
Right in front of me.
It's very hard to get to.
I gotta be a
Very
realist.
narrow.
Do you want me to do it behind your back?
No, that's true. That's true.
But
Yo, consult with Form about it. That could be your.
I'm stuck. Literally, and between this.
This conversation. Oh no.
okay,
Oh, is it tight?
very tight.
That's probably why.
No, it's not.
Oh, look
Your
at
jacket's
this.
off to get through? No, it's the same as German. It's a buffer.
I'm not sure if they manually did it.
Exactly. I want to deep off. Oh, come down?
This one. This one. Sorry.
Sorry.
Go sideways.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, just 2 meters away.
So it's gonna be
Okay.
hard. Because you have to squeeze your body. There you go. Okay, wait.
Line of set too long.
Okay, we made it. We made it alive. Ooh,
Very narrow.
very
아빠 저기서 몸만 껴봐. Impossible.
look at that. Yeah.
It's bigger than you. My husband's bigger than you.
Okay, let's go.
그럼 되잖아. 사람들이 없을 때 찍어 그럼.
The challenge is over.
That's very.
What did you do?
Huh? What
You
happened?
do. You break it. Buti hindi ako kinisig.
It's very hard to enter that narrow gate. It's very narrow gate.
Very narrow gate.
Wow. Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
레일을 잡아 오히려. 아니 이쪽에 레일을 잡아가지고.
And go. Oh my God. Very hard.
갑자기 그렇게 정체가 된 거는
I don't think you can do it on winter time.
Oh, that's probably why sometimes they close it.
Huge boulder here.
I feel like my poop is coming out. Getting out of that cave. Quite an experience. Para makapaihi.
Okay, so watch your head here.
Oh, return earth. That's it?
Yeah, return to earth. Quite an experience here. Another one here. Maybe not. Okay, more challenging there.
We overcome the first one. Here. I should take you and do it.
Oh here. I'm down the route where there's a rail.
Having this cold.
Hmm?
Having this cold is very helpful.
Yeah. Oh, you came from another world?
How big is it?
It's small and then.
Yeah, maybe just pretending you came from the cave.
It's a bear cave. Oh, it's big. It's a bear cave.
This is very big. Whoa.
See?
Grab onto me.
Yeah, this is big one.
Yeah,
Okay, Dad.
no.
Oh my God. Oh, let's take a photo.
There's another cave here.
Let's take a photo here.
Guys,
Look.
let me on top.
This one.
Oh, shit. Yeah, it's not challenging enough. Having this is very helpful.
So that's good. We experienced this million years cave
Yeah.
here in Collingwood, Ontario.
A natural
And-
structure.
We are exiting now. Yeah, good experience. But if you are wider, don't use the cave because you cannot get out. There's another easy exit. We're good. We're out.
We can do that big one.
We're out.
Return to main grounds.
Okay. We're good. So follow for more.
Follow for more.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Share, like,
Share, like.
subscribe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So this is the way to go down to the ground.
There are more scenic caves.
Extra footage for you.
Are we going to the parking now?
Yeah.
This is it?
Yeah, gift shop. Oh. Well, some people are using this entrance to go. Some people using the other side. Oh. Hmm?
We also went home. There's no one there. It was just like me and her and two other people. Oh my gosh, get lost. It's like a filter thingy.
Collecting the mine.
Where's our car?
They'll have candy laid out.